Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Flow Launcher safely and easily on your Windows computer. If you're looking for a fast launcher that helps you open apps, search files, perform calculations, and improve your productivity, downloading Flow Launcher is the first step. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Flow Launcher. From the search results, open the official Flow Launcher website or the official GitHub releases page. Yeah, it's important to use the official source to make sure you're downloading the latest version without any unwanted software. Once you're on the download page, look for the most recent stable release. You'll usually find a download button or installer file listed under the latest release section. Click the appropriate installer for Windows, and the download should begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the file may take a few moments to download. While you wait, make sure you have enough storage space on your computer and that your Windows system is up to date for the best experience. This can help prevent installation issues later on. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and verify that the installer file has been saved successfully. At this point, the download process is finished and the file is ready to install whenever you're ready to proceed. If you'd like to install Flow Launcher right away, simply click the installer and follow the setup instructions. The installation process is quick and straightforward for most users. And that's it. You now know how to download Flow Launcher safely from the official source and prepare it for installation on your Windows computer. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.